Yeah, g'day YouTube, Bree here with Pink Bits. Oh, Cal, what do you got?
I got a screwdriver.
A what?
A screwdriver.
Yeah, a Phillips head screwdriver. What are you doing today?
I'm changing a part,
What's the part called?
an idler positioner sensor.
Are you good at it? Where's this part located on a vehicle?
Here.
Yeah. Okay. So what are you going to do first?
Take this black thingy off.
The black thingy,
Whatever.
the plug.
Yeah. I hope the other screw's just as easy.
Well, that one was quite easy. It was like it was already done.
It wasn't.
See the white paint on it, Cal?
Yeah.
Holden do that with all their parts.
Nice.
And when it gets replaced again, they probably put a different colour on.
Oh.
But we're not doing that because we're not Holden.
Now we're a Commodore.
Yeah, so put one there. So yeah, it won't roll away.
Good thing it's only a little fat thing, eh?
It's a stumpy screwdriver, a stubby screwdriver.
Fit in here otherwise.
Uh-huh. That's why I got all my tools in the car, Cal.
Well, I guess short, fat, stumpy screwdrivers goes with short, fat, stumpy fingers.
I bet you used to be a spanner in your previous life.
I don't reckon I was any kind of a tool.
I reckon you were. I reckon you tightened up your ex-husband's nuts quite a few
don't
times.
be such a... Oh,
Oh my God. Okay. Just gonna have a look at that. Yep. Oh look, a little baggie for Jay.
No, it's too thick.
So what we do before you put it on?
See if the screws fit?
No, you look at the part number. Usually there's a part number on these things, and you just make sure it looks the same type thing.
They're completely different numbers though.
Yeah, different numbers, different company. This one here would be like a genuine part. But anyway, have a look on the back of it, Cal, and see the that section there that's got the doozy whacker. One side goes on one side goes on the other. So you might have to jiggle it and wiggle it until it actually... Oh, look, there you go, she's already done it.
Yeah, is it better go bottom first or top first?
Doesn't matter, as long as you just don't drop those screws in, Cal. You've got to play with your fingers and...
No, it's all in the finger work. Look,
that's how you hold your tongue too, Cal. Cal? Yep, okay, Cal's holding her tongue. Okay, so no, get the other one. Line up the holes. I got plenty of hair if you want some.
Baby, no.
What?
This is serious work.
Yeah, I know, but still serious. The guys will understand. If they can't find the hole, they'll just put some baby powder or flour or...
I have a
hair
feeling
around
you're
it.
being rude again.
No, I'm just...
Because I don't see how putting flour all over your motor is going to help.
You still find the wet spot.
Won't it turn it into dough?
Well, then I'll make
Then
some
you have
money then, won't I?
Then you have sticky shit all over it?
No, I'll be making money if I turn it into green dough. Money, dough. No, you tighten it up. You tighten it up, dear.
Yeah.
You wanted to start it. Is it tight?
No,
Why not?
because I haven't finished tightening it.
Your back's hurting?
No,
What's hurting?
I'd rather not mention it. How do I know when it's tight enough?
When it doesn't turn.
There.
Well,
Now your turn to tighten it.
You always put your hand in front of the camera, Cal.
Oops. Sorry.
YouTube don't want to have a look at your hand, they want to look at what we're doing. So Carl reckons that this one's tight. Well, I've just turned it half a notch. And this one here, I can't even see. Because my glasses are fogging up. Again.
Did you do the top one?
Yeah, I've done them both.
And then I guess this just pops back in here.
Yeah, push it back in so it clicks.
Just like that.
Yep. Then you take the shitty part that's off the front of the car. And you put that in the box. Then you go and start the car and see if it idles.
Okay.
It's just so uncoordinated sometimes. And no acceleration, just turn the key and let it do its own thing. It's idling, it's not revving. And what? Oh, yeah, I don't have a taco. That's right. It's all good. Okay. Thanks, Cal. I like my mechanic. She smiles. Service with a smile. Well, you can have that. Throw that just in the back somewhere, just in case. Always make sure you close my door, Cal. If I don't close my door, my light stays on. So yeah, we've got emergency rag there, we got emergency rag over there. So Kel checked the water yesterday.
I have a question.
Kel put some water in it yesterday.
I have a question.
So have to top that up again, Kel.
Why do you keep a spoon in your toolbox?
What?
Why do you keep a spoon in your toolbox?
In case I need medicine.
Really? In your toolbox?
Yeah.
That is not it.
You never know when you need a spoon, Kel.
I only need a spoon at night time.
Really? A spoon at night time? Where's my spoon in my toolbox?
What do you call that? It's a
Well,
teaspoon.
yeah. A lot of people don't have a teaspoon in their coffee and sugar when you're working at mates' places and that.
Uh-huh.
That's why I've got a teaspoon.
That's your story and you're going to stick to it, right?
Well, yeah.
Let's go get some water.
Okay, Kel. You gonna say goodbye?
Bye, I'm taking Brie out on adventure. Stay tuned.
Yeah, g'day YouTube. Bree and Kel here. I'm actually in the passenger seat because Kel's driving. One of my friends, Wayne Short, asked me to do some videos of what the towns look like. So there's the service station. There's Mercury. There's Still. It's definitely still because it ain't moving. We're moving. Iron Man.
Every town has a super auto tube.
Yeah, every town up here's got a super cheap auto.
And a Bunnings.
And a Repco right next door. Like, who's stealing whose business? Good old pub. Oh,
Sorry, I thought
fucking
he was going to run out in front of me.
I'm going to say it. Fucking idiots up here just walk in front of cars. Wow. He's got a fucking shoe and a thong. He must be going through a separation.
And one sock.
ARB. Bunnings. If you need repairs done in four-wheel drives or caravans, you've got the spare parts. Coles, Woolworths, Hungry Jack's, KFC and Macca's, they've got it all. I think there's even a Domino's, wasn't it? Is it Domino's? Domino's or Pizza Hut? One of the two. Another pub, Servo, Macca's right next door as you come in on the south side. Salvos. Roscoe's Pizza, and then the first building you come to as an accountant. The new Nissan Patrols, I don't like them. I reckon they're funny looking things. You don't have to punch.
I didn't mean to.
You don't have to punch the accelerator, Kel.
That was an accident.
You got to remember you're driving a 6, not a 4 like your little one.
Oh no, I've just got to remember I'm driving your Ute.
Yeah, but
not a little hatchback.
You're not driving a Ute. You're driving pink bits. Croc infested water. Cherries, lychees, pineapples, mangoes, watermelons.
Maybe on the way back we can stop and get some cherries.
Look at that. Woohoo! I think they've even got corn for sale.
We've got a picnic breakfast.
A picnic breakfast? I thought it was a picnic lunch.
No, it probably will be picnic lunch by the time we get there.
Local bananas for sale on the south side. So, we came back up here because of the rain. Yeah, just keep following it, Kel. And we got up here last night, yesterday afternoon, about 3 o'clock. Raced into Bunnings, got a tarp. Keep going, Kel.
I don't know if I'm supposed to turn there.
No, you're supposed to be following that way, Kel. Well, how do I know?
You're not supposed to be looking at the map.
Well, I've got to look at the map to know where you're going.
You don't need to know where I'm going.
Well, you reckon you had to turn left.
I can get us lost easy.
Yeah, I know. They've got some nice big houses up here for sale. Saw one on Facebook, buy, trade and sell, for 250,000, 280,000, 300,000. I'm sure you can talk them down and they'll snap it up pretty quick. It's nice, but the humidity is very sticky up here. I don't like the sticky humidity. I prefer the dry heat. Kel doesn't like heat at all. She'd rather be in Tasmania. Antarctica. You're down there by yourself, Kel. So yeah. Big 4 caravan park, south side again. A lot of sugarcane. Kel's lining up all the potholes. Good to see. A lot of the houses don't have fencing, which is bad if you own a dog.
Oh, they probably put the fencing up if they have a dog.
Yeah, I understand that, but if you rent a house, they're not going to put a fence up just because you've got a dog. Scrap metal. Get some petrol in there. So yeah, Kel's taking me for a drive.
Oh, it's nice and cool today too.
Yeah, it's nice and cool today, Kel.
So the place I'm taking to is only good to see after there's been a lot of rain.
Oh, okay. Obviously, guessing Kel just said a good place to go after it rains. So I'm guessing like a waterfall.
I think so.
Or something of that sort. I did see signs up here when we were coming in. Kel forgets I got a photographic memory.
Oh, I don't forget. That's why I told you you weren't allowed to look at the map.
It's a mud map, Kel. 3.4 cut. 3.3 k's, you got to turn right. Funny, there's a mountain over that way.
Oh, is there? I didn't know that.
How much fuel you got?
Just under half a tank.
Just under half a tank.
I forgot to take the petrol. Sorry.
Well, it's one of the first things you do before you go for a big drive. You got
My
to check.
bad. Looks like there's a servo up here we can fill up in if you want.
The Australian Sugar Heritage Centre, all about bloody sugar. That's definitely got crocodiles in that water back there. So yeah, up here you don't go swimming unless it's netted and there's lifesavers on at the beaches. Eddie Bay is where we went.
It's also stinger season.
And stinger season also. They come in with the rain and the shitty tides and that. But that's the same in the Northern Territory. So I'm used to it because I was living up in Darwin
Do you
anyway.
want to have a look at the sugar museum while we're here?
No.
Do you want me to stop at the servo?
Oh no, it's up to you. Do you want to get fuel? If you're going up there, which I think you are.
No, please. Does this place look like it's going up there?
Yeah.
I might get some petrol just to be on the safe
Yeah,
side.
just throw $20 in it. You'll be alright. Well, this guy saw you coming. $1.21. $1.21. Come on, girl, you're driving a ute. You're not driving a friggin'
Hatchback. I know, I know.
a mini. Right along, move along, move along. 91 will do. Okay, Kel, I've got to turn this off because you're not allowed to have mobile phones at pumps like somebody did the other day. So the driver just turned off Bruce Highway, turned right on the south side of Innisfail, went over a railway line, drove past some banana trees and more bloody sugar cane. Oh, dead bunny. Roadkill. Unbelievable. Banana plantations. Sugar cane. The nursery of banana trees. I wonder how long it takes for a banana tree to actually grow.
I used to know that information, but I've forgotten now.
That's Alzheimer's when you forget stuff like that, Kel.
Oh well, with Alzheimer's then I'll just forget that I've forgotten. Hey, too easy. Look for trains.
Look for trains. Look for, what are they called, Kel?
Monopoly trains.
Monopoly trains, that's it. Trains on the Monopoly board. Some nice houses up here, I suppose, though. You get a nice house selling bananas. Oh, there we go, all the banana. Obviously they use their own rubbish and green waste for manure, fertiliser. So I did a YouTube upload this morning from yesterday afternoon. Yesterday's rain. This is actually good meat being on this side. My left arm's going to get some colour. My right arm's like dark. And the left arm is almost white. So yeah, I'm going to do the outside the window. Are you enjoying driving the car?
Yeah, I am.
Mr. Policeman driving here towards you. Nice looking car, that one. Nay. So they got these little banana trees just sprouting up everywhere. I don't know if that's a new lot that's gone in. You've got a bunch of bananas on the ground.
I wonder if a banana tree grows from a banana or from a seed.
Well, that's what I'm wondering.
I wonder if any of our listeners knows.
I'm going to wind up window for a sec. No, leave it up. Leave it down, Kel. I'm winding my side up so they don't get wind blowing while I'm talking. So, Kel just asked, does a banana tree grow from a seed or actually from the banana? But when you eat a banana, it's got little micro seeds in it anyway. cane cutter tourist drive.
My grandfather used to be a cane cutter.
Your grandfather was a cane cutter.
Yep.
So he was a cane cutter, and my father was a stockman.
Grandmother was a nurse.
Oh yeah, you can see where the water went last night.
Oh wow.
Oh, there you
Go
go.
slow over it.
No, that's right. No crocodiles though, I can see. Yeah, I know.
How high it would have went.
That went last night, so.
Yep. Probably do it again tonight after more rain.
Yep. Awesome. Got some footage on how deep it was last night. Just shows you how fast the water runs. It says left, Kel.
Go left anyway.
I'm just looking at your map.
I've got the map. Don't need the map no more.
Whoa, Misty Mountains. Wow.
Cheeky Creek. That's got your name all over it.
Cheeky Creek. Wow, look at this. Look at this hotel. You wouldn't.
Off the rails.
You wouldn't know that there was a hotel here if you didn't come up here. So there's the sugar trains, the sugar cane
There, you
train.
finally get to see one.
Well, I don't actually, because they're just
They're
carriages.
the carriages.
I'm sick of seeing carriages. I want to see.
Missed out.
I want to see a little toot toot.
Keep looking, there might be one over there.
A little toot toot. Nope, carriages. Carriages and carriages and more carriages.
Oh, I'd love to paint those silos.
You wouldn't be able to get up there, Cal. You're
Yeah.
scared of heights.
So I'd manage it. If it meant I got to paint a silo, I'd work through that.
Molasses. That's a sugar mill, so sugar. Fancy that. Fancy having a sugar mill where they produce sugar cane.
Oh, look at this beautiful tree.
Kel thinks every tree's beautiful, so
I'm sorry, I'm a tree lover.
tree lover's better than a tree hugger. Wow. YouTube just saw a waterfall. White Rapids. Well, this arm that I'm holding the phone is starting to ache. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the phone down for a little bit and enjoy some of the scenery, and I'll come back to you a little bit later. Say goodbye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
So as the sign says across the road, Mena Creek. Hey, Kel.
Surprise.
Kel brought me down to Mena Creek.
To Paranella Falls?
The Paranella Falls.
Or no, I don't know how they say it.
Paranella. So there's a sign here. Look at the coming out of the wall, like the stormwater drain.
We're going to go walking on that bridge too.
Yeah, I know.
Mena Creek.
Stewart's Creek and Henry Noon Mena Creek.
And this is where we are.
And we're at the
Park.
Paranella Park.
Okay, let's show them the view from the bridge.
Okay. Let's just go to the edge, bud. Go to the edge.
Pretty loud. After you. Beauty first.
Age before the beauty shop. Man, they're fucking strong.
is going to be interesting since I'm petrified of heights.
You're petrified of heights. Well, I don't think it's going to go anywhere. But I just ate lunch, so let's see what happens. I haven't been on one of these bridges for ages. Pull on my dress. Look on me. What? What? It's bouncing, eh, Cal? Oh wow, look at that down below. I'll wait till these people go past and then we'll talk again. Cal! 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 Yeah. Kel's a bit freaked out because this is the bridge. Hey Kel, is this bridge freaking you out? Huh? Yeah. Are you enjoying it? Don't you drop your phone?
No, I dropped my phone.
It's amazing. Trying to get a little bit of slow motion video, please. We'll see what happens.
Hey YouTube, have you ever seen gorillas in the mist? There's one in the native. She must be trained. She's got a camera. This is one of the female type. She's studying wildlife at its best. You know she's in deep study and deep thought because she hasn't noticed yet. Wiping her chin with a t-shirt. I wonder if she'll ever notice. I wonder if there's any more in the wildlife. We find another two. These ones are male and female of the variety. And they don't even know we're here. Let's turn back to the one that we were watching before. This one is known as a Kelly. Most people call her Raquel, but we all know her as Kelly. Don't we, Kel? Oh look. She's even trained to look like a reindeer.
It's the town hen. I think so.
Subject for flooding. I wonder why. Look at the mud.
Oh, I wonder how high up it came.
You'd be able to see when you go down.
Oh look, you can see the movement of the...
Yeah, look here.
Look at that.
It's all over the side of here.
Look at that.
There's a tree. A tree washed up.
Wow. Look at that, it's all in there.
So all this was underwater last night.
Yep. Pretty high up too, and look at how up it still is. You see how high up it went?
I'll park it over here. You should see how high it got up. Look, there's all stuff all around the... There's a ground there, but you can see the up against the rubbish bin.
And it come all the way up here.
All this was underwater.
And it's going to be like that again tonight, no doubt.
Yeah. A lot of water.
It's still moving quick.
Yeah. Would you shit yourself if a cop come running up the ramp?
No, I think we can get away from it in the car.
Yeah. But yeah, so it's amazing, isn't it?
Yep.
So, are you happy?
Mhm.
You can see it all. Our car would have been underwater.
So, yours truly, meaning me, myself and I, decided to not wind the window all the way up when we went shopping. So now I'm sitting in a puddle. It's pouring. The window will not stop fogging, but there's my beautiful baby. She makes it all worthwhile.
Wearing another wet top.
Look at that wet top. So I'm going to have a wet backside.
Well, that's okay.
So it's a good thing we did what we did this morning just before the rain came again.
Better having a wet backside than a wet front side, Cal.
You know, I don't believe the whole time we've up here I've actually been dry. I've been wet the whole time.
And that's without me.
Baby, no.
Yeah, g'day YouTube, Bree here. Kel just got out of the car. As you can see, the utes now at 401,151. And still going. Yeah, just love that green light. Oh wait, it's aqua. No, wait, it's blue. Kel's looking for me. It's funny. Are you getting wet? Are you getting wet, Kel?
No, I'm just moist. There hasn't been a day in the last fortnight where I haven't been moist.
Moist or just wet?
Oh, I'm just wet for you.
It's starting to stop now.
No, it's not.
Ah, she's a duffer. Oh look, now the light's yellow. Oh, now it's going back to that green again. Problem with one of these old cars is you get a lot of water in it. So I'm going to have to drill a hole into the floor, I think. She can't get in.